that moving in. You can see it moving in. Look at that.
What's so good about dirt?
There's nothing good about dirt.
Why
Look at that, just we're about to get blasted.
with dirt in our eyes? Oh yeah. And then you won't go to the third game.
I think it's all going that way, and that's how it's coming this way.
Oh no, it's coming right at us. Look at that. What? Look at the trees.
It's almost.
I know. That's right. Look at all the debris flying around.
Not you.
It's gonna black out the sky here in a second.
Can we go away now?
You don't want to look, it's hitting the stands.
Oh my goodness.
Oh,
This guy is running for his life.
my
Oh no! Run! God, look at that. Holy crap. Holy crap. Oh my God.
Oh my goodness.
It's like night. Look at that. It's blacked out. Look at that. Oh my God. No, I gotta